In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a type form. This process allows you to halt any new submissions from being received on a particular form, effectively making it invisible to new users. Whether you're tweaking your questions, making updates based on feedback, or simply wanting to close a survey after reaching a desired number of responses, knowing how to manage the availability of your forms is essential for anyone using Typeform to collect information. Let's start with the basics. Navigate to the home page of Typeform by entering its URL into your browser. This is your gateway to creating, managing, and reviewing results from your forms. So if you haven't bookmarked it yet, now might be a good time. Once you're on the Typeform homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, usually positioned in the top right corner of the web page, and click on it. This action will prompt you to enter your login credentials, including your username and password. However, if you've linked your Typeform account to your Google account for that extra layer of convenience and security, you'll want to click on Continue with Google. Selecting this option might redirect you momentarily to confirm your Google account details, assuming you're not already logged in on your browser. The login process might take a minute or two, especially if you've got a slow internet connection or if Typeform's servers are experiencing high traffic. It's a good window to double check you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Typeform accounts for different projects or clients. Once you're logged in, it's time to locate the form you wish to unpublish. If you're juggling several forms, navigating to the right one can sometimes feel like finding a needle in a haystack. But don't worry, Typeform's user-friendly design has you covered. You can either scroll through your dashboard to find your form, or use the direct link if you have it handy, which takes you straight to the form you want to adjust. Upon locating the form, the next step is to access its settings. You'll find the settings option located towards the top middle part of the page while you're viewing your form. Clicking on it will bring up a menu with several options on how you can customize your form's behavior and presentation. But for now, we're focused on making the form inaccessible to new users. Within the settings menu, look for the Access and Scheduling option. This section allows you to control who can access your form and when. It's also the area where you can schedule form availability, which is perfect for forms that only need to be open for a limited period, such as event registrations or timed surveys. In the Access and Scheduling area, you'll find a toggle labeled Open this form to new responses. By default, this is turned on, allowing anyone with the link to submit a response. Your task is to switch this off. Clicking the toggle will instantly prevent any new submissions from being made. It's a simple but effective way to take your form offline without deleting it, ensuring that you can still access the data collected so far or republish it in the future should you need to. Don't forget to click Save after you've turned off new responses. It's a crucial step, as failing to do so means all the changes you've made will not be applied. The Save button is usually located at the bottom or the top right corner of the settings area. After clicking Save, your form is now officially unpublished. But what if you need to make your form available again? Simply revisit the settings, navigate back to Access and Scheduling, and toggle the option to allow new responses. Remember to hit Save once more. We've covered the technical steps on how to unpublish a type form, but it's always good practice to inform your audience, especially if they expect the form to be available. If your form's embedded on a website or linked in communications, consider updating those platforms with a message to set expectations. Unpublishing a form is a straightforward task when you know where to look and what buttons to click. Whether you're conducting a survey, gathering registrations, or capturing leads, managing form availability is key to controlling the flow of responses. It ensures that your data collection is as effective and efficient as possible. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope this video has empowered you to better manage your type forms and enhance your data collection strategies.